Is it time to buy or sell CyberArk software stock? In this video, we are diving deep into CyberArk software. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 18th of August, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 31st of July, 2025, our system has ranked CyberArk software as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 1.99. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 2.34%. This equates to an average return of 0.18% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and gentle upward trend in the short term, indicating that further growth within this trend is likely. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 8.36% over the next 3 months, with expected returns that could range from a decrease of 1.35% to an increase of 13.82%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of around 43.38%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance may vary between 20.83% and 50.56% over the coming year. In current terms, this would suggest a future price range of between $508.84 and $634.01. Our latest daily update for CyberArk software includes the headline, CyberArk Software Ltd stock price ended at $421.10 on Monday, after losing 0.649%. The CyberArk Software Ltd stock price fell by 0.649% on the last day, Monday, 18th of August, 2025, from $423.85 to $421.10. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 1.89% from a day low at $417.85 to a day high of $425.73. The price has been going up and down during this period, and there has been a 2.96% gain over the last 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day along with the stock, which is actually a good sign as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume fell by 74,000 shares, with a total of 963,000 shares bought and sold for approximately $405.67 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $451.55, and the lowest price was $254.43. Currently, the price is 6.74%, or $30.45, below the 52-week high of $451.55, which is also the all-time high for the stock. CyberArk is currently experiencing a strong performance, having increased by approximately 27% since the beginning of the year. This rise is largely attributed to the growing demand for artificial intelligence-driven identity security and significant activity from major partners. Recent results indicate that subscription revenue surged by around 66% in the second quarter of 2025, as customers migrate, upsell, and adopt multi-solution packages. The company's market credibility is also on the rise, as CyberArk has been recognized as a leader in privileged identity management. Additionally, it has successfully passed regional security requirements, obtaining a cloud service certification in Dubai and a protected assessment in Australia under the Information Security Registered Assessors Program. These achievements should facilitate public sector and global cloud deals. This optimistic operational environment exists alongside takeover dynamics. Analysts perceive Palo Alto's acquisition strategy as potentially beneficial for long-term growth. However, investors are closely monitoring Palo Alto's earnings and guidance, as part of CyberArk's compensation is linked to its stock performance. Furthermore, a class action inquiry from shareholders regarding the deal introduces short-term risks to headlines. In the near term, Expect volatility. Positive developments regarding products, certifications, and annual recurring revenue could boost the stock, while uncertainties surrounding the deal, legal examination, and guidance from the acquiring company may exert downward pressure. Looking further ahead, a successful integration into a larger cyber platform could enhance revenue synergies and market share. Conversely, prolonged legal or regulatory issues could diminish the deal's value or postpone its benefits. Here are the latest analyst ratings for CYBR. On Thursday, the 31st of July, 2025, UBS assigned a neutral grade to CYBR, accompanied by a downgrade action. On the same day, Piper Sandler also rated CYBR as neutral and issued a downgrade. Additionally, on that Thursday, RBC Capital provided a sector perform grade for CYBR, along with a downgrade. Guggenheim, too, gave CYBR a neutral grade with a downgrade on that day. Earlier on Wednesday, the 30th of July, 2025, BTIG also rated CYBR as neutral with a downgrade. Analysts have assigned a general strong sell rating to CyberArk Software stock. They have categorized the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for CyberArk Software. The CyberArk Software Ltd stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, providing a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. During downward corrections, support is expected at $414.61 and $398.45. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact near short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, July 30th, 2025, and so far, it has decreased by 3.24%. A further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot has been established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk since volume typically follows price movements. The stock experienced a golden star signal on Wednesday, May 21st, 2025, in the long-term chart. A golden star signal occurs when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and the price line converge in a specific combination. This combination is quite rare and is often accompanied by significant and sustained gains for the stock in question. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 14 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 14 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 16 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 15 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 16 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 64 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 63 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for CyberArk Software. CyberArk Software Ltd identifies support from accumulated volume at $414. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. This stock experiences average daily movements, and with a good trading volume, the risk is assessed to be medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $7.88 between its high and low, which represents 1.89%. In the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 2.36%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for CyberArk Software, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important measure compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest ongoing profit challenges and raise concerns about potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 12th of November, 2025. Analysts have consensus estimates set at 94 cents. It's important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for CyberArk software. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for CyberArk software is at $422.82. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be an opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, CyberArk software faces its first support level at $414. If this support level holds, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $401.76, representing a decline of 4.59%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a moderate level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 13 days ago. Is CyberArk software stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for CyberArk Software Ltd stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 19th of August, we anticipate that CyberArk Software will open higher by 460.10 of a dollar and begin trading at $421.56. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day with warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.